Well, and there she is, all done. Tires all cleaned. New white wall tires. Now I just gotta take it for a spin to dry everything off. Test the feel because it's gonna be a softer ride because I rode the Kendas at 30 psi and these are 20. Oh, we'll see. Oh, I gotta put a cap on that. Everything so far. The back wheel came. The front wheel was a pain in the ass to get on, but then when I got to this rear wheel, it was easier. Go figure. All right, that about does it. Catch y'all later. Here's a good shot of it. That fucking stands out now, doesn't it?